Welcome to Alerts in Impact. Okay, what is an alert? Alert's just that. Alert is a email notification or an activity notification created to inform the users of conditions in your database. So let's just go and look at what alerts do. If I go over to here to alert window and pull down, I can say create an alert. Now what happens is when you create an alert, it's based off of the conditions on your screen at this moment. Okay, so we have today and the next 7 days, all of our closed and won opportunities. These are conditions that we put in the current view. If we run this or automate this alert, every week it'll give us the same conditions today and the next 7 days. So next Monday, 7 days in front of Monday, and everything that closed. So let's go and create our alert. So we click on alert here, create alert. Now what it does is, again, it's the opportunity list view. Today and the next 7 days is somewhat of the filter we have on here. And I'm going to say closed won opportunities, or again, closed won alert names. That's just the name. Okay, after a couple seconds, our alert editing window comes forward. And here it's just saying good morning. It's just giving you some example of an email field. So, hey boss, good morning boss. Here are the weekly closed ops. Just personalize it, put whatever in there. And who are we going to be sending this alert to? I'll say it's sent to the sales team. And what is our subject line? So there it is. I created a little email, a little alert. And what I'm going to do over here is the options. I'm going to say, send the alert. And I'm going to say, attach it as a PDF, Excel, or HTML. Let's just attach it as a PDF. I'm just going to click on the preview email button here. It packaged it up, and actually Outlook is flashing at me. I'll just bring it forward. And here is our email all ready to go. Again, it was preview. And it's saying, good morning, boss. Here's our weekly reports. And as you can see, we have a PDF attached to this. And there it is, our PDF attached, which if you remember, looks identical to our list view. Down to the columns, down to the color rules, down to the total rows, down to the filtering conditions. It's identical. It's very nice. So let's close down. We're not going to save this. I can also do options of embed it as an email. Who doesn't want it attached? Let's see what it looks like embedded. And here it is. It popped forward for us now. Again, this is Outlook ready to send off the email. We're going to automate this, but this is just a quick little preview. And you can see it is attached, but it's also embedded directly into the email. So it shows you your opportunities. Okay, so now we know what it looks like. We know the filter conditions we put on there. Now let's just set it up to run automatically. Down here, we're going to say schedule it to run. When we're scheduling it to run, it runs in the background as a task, as a Windows task. So we need to put in the username and password credentials in order for that automation to run at 4 in the morning when you're not even logged into ACT. So I'll just say, okay, I don't have a password on this database. And there it is. It's going to run. I wanted to run it at 6 o'clock. He's an early bird. And I wanted to run just on Mondays. That's it. I have a alert now set to run. If I save and close, I can go and look at my alert, so I can go back into it. This is the one I created. I can open it up again. But if I go to manage my alerts, I can see here I have the alert. Opportunity today, seven days, closed one. It runs every Monday. And again, these alerts can be, I have an alert for Bob. I have an alert for Tom. You can get very specific here And I could say where the estimated close date is today in the next 30 days. And I'm going to say select done. I'm going to say, oh, I want all my open ones for Fred. So Fred has one in here. So again, I just set the filters differently down the bottom. I'm going to go create an alert. It says opportunities today, next 7 days for Fred. Well, we don't need to say all this. Opportunities open for Fred. So that's the name of the alert. Come in here, we say, who is this going to? Well, Fred is a user in the database, so I'm going to select Fred. Here are your open ops for the week. Good morning, here are your open opportunities for the week. So we're sending that to him. I'm going to say send it as an email. And again, I can say attach or I can embed it directly into the email. I am done. I want to run it on a schedule. I'm going to enter in my database credentials and I'm going to say just Mondays. There it is. We're done. Save and close. That simple. In fact, it's that simple. Let's do one for just Jim. Create an alert. Open for Jim. I'm going to say it's going to Jim. Here's your alert for ops. I'm going to say send as an email. Again, embed it. And I'm going to say run that on a schedule and credentials for the database. And I want his to be sent on Tuesdays, just to be different here. So this is going to be sent on Tuesdays. There's Jim's. Boom. And again, if I go back in and I say manage my alerts, here are my alerts. So I have opportunities for Jim running every Tuesday. This one's running every Monday. And it does give us a bit of conditions in here. It shows you where this one was Fred. If you can see this one is Jim and so forth and so on. That's it. That's how to build a very simple and quick alert based exactly on the information that you're viewing inside of ACT at that moment. Okay, thank you for watching.